Gang, 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 gang. Gang, what's good, YouTube gang? I don't know what time it is now. Dan back in the lab with another mad reaction. Yes, man. You see what we're doing today? We're there none other than. Yeah, we're there with the genius. And guess who has entered the chat? Yes, man. Kess has entered the chat with the one and your masterpiece and the hill and Gully Riddim. And we'll check it out and see what I got dude. You see me? I say a lot of people, a lot of soca and calypso fans was very excited when they saw the preview of Kess entering on the hill and Gully Riddim. You don't know what time it is. So we're going to check it out and see what going on. Yes, I say, yes, we'll check it out and see what going on with Kess deal with. See what spinny brings to the hill and Gully Riddim, or what flavor and spice that bring to it. Yes, I say. So we now go up the vibe much longer. Kess, the genius, masterpiece. Let's get it.
You want me, girl? Phenomenal. Oh gosh, a pretty girl.
Yeah, me girl phenomenal. Oh gosh, girl.
Pull up that. Alright, pull up that. Alright, pull up that. Alright, pop, pop, pop. So come along and wind around. You know you are the one to shut the whole place down. Yeah.
So come along now, wind around. You know you are the one to shut the whole. Mama, you are the one to shut down the blood place. You are the one to block traffic. When you walk, hey, what? Yeah.
Come and blow my mind.
Yes.
Girl, you're so damn fine.
Yes, man.
Are you alone? Could I
Come blow my mind like a bomb, girl, fine like a thread. What you?
come over, girl?
Yes.
You're pretty like them costume in carnival.
Yeah.
How you move that waist is
You're pretty like a costume in a carnival, and the costume in a carnival pretty like a you. Which one? Talk truth. And the girl, them man, go and chew, yes, man.
and this wine and roll and rhythm and jam.
Yeah,
Girl in
yeah,
the middle
yeah,
of the band
yeah,
with the jam.
yeah.
You're pretty like them costume in carnival.
Yeah.
Baby, wine that waist is bacchanal.
Yeah.
Plenty wine and roll and rhythm and jam. Sweet girl, you're the one for me. Anyway,
Hey.
girl, there's where I
Run
need to
clean.
be. Girl, you have man on the knees.
Yes, man. Anyway, you're there, man. Now, yes, so many if you don't know, but on the knees part, Kess, fix up your argument. You don't know it's a Jamaican Riddim, a Jamaican you make tune for. Even though Caribbean. And some of them new age yard youth low out. They back to the yard. We can't consider them Jamaicans low out. Don't bother with the pandanese thing. Which one? No, your lamb family. Fix up that. I want you.
Girl, you have man on the knees.
Fix up. Burn up. What go on you?
Big girl, you a masterpiece.
Yes, man. Masterpiece. I work a hard, girl. You are sculpted by the gods. Go on you?
Girl, there's where I need to be.
Where I need to be.
So you're gonna leave.
Yes.
Yeah, you know you a masterpiece.
Yes, girl, you lead.
Girl, you got the
You lead like a politician where you win an election. Go on
You
you.
got the must come in your place, pretty. Tell me where you come from, girl. You hot, you got me a little dum dum.
Why she look like motherfucking what's the girl name is? What that female rapper Coil Ray? Why she look like Coil Ray? What a better version, girl. Oh, you mean, mama? You're nice, bad. Go on you.
Dum dum to the ground, to the ground, to the ground, ground. Girl, you got the thing with so wrong.
Yes.
Face, girl, tell me where you come from.
Yes.
I said,
Where you come from, mama? Cute face, girl. Tell me where you come from. Talk up. Talk to me. Talk to me. Look at
tell me
the
where you
time,
from,
woman.
baby girl. Hands on your waist and anywhere the girl.
Yeah.
There's where I need
Want to be.
Girl, you have man on the knees. Baby,
Alright, Kess, if you go fix up that part, you know, the pandy knees part, you know, warm to your brother. Go on you.
girl, you a masterpiece.
Yes, man.
Yeah, where the girl there's where I need
Want to be.
my girl say you're gonna leave.
Not a lead.
You know you a masterpiece.
Masterpiece. Oh, Lord. Pull up that. Yes. Pull up that. Yes, mama. Yes, girl. You're a nice bad one, Joe. Pull up. Pull up. Yes, mama. Go and choose slimmers. Go and choose thickers. Yes, man. Go and Joe. Pull up that.
Anyway, the girl there's
Where I want to be.
girl, you have man on the knees. Baby girl, you a masterpiece.
Oh, Lord. Girl is a masterpiece. Anything at the art gallery. You need to be in the museums. Yes, man. But you know, and everybody if you look and touch, you know, you see me blood clot, you know, so slim as you make your old man happy. Funny face. Yes, man, go on, you. Hey, I need to be lead. Oh Lord. Carnival. Yeah. Val. Like a bacana, like a can. Blood, please. Say, make you go, man. Happy, feel long again. What you face? Mama, don't cause attack. Don't make him drop down. Go and do your thing. You blood, please. Yes. Your blood, please. Hola. Yes, sir. Blood. Mama, say you go on bad, girl. I like you. I like your style. Make a fuck out that door. Do all of the things, then. Easy. Yeah, man, Kes, do your thing. That was a vibe. That's nice vibe. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, you see me, Kes bringing film flavor and film style to his thing. I don't know what on the new thought, don't know, Kes. Why you have to bring the party? We don't weak to the flesh round here. I we run things don't run we. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with your Kes? But anyway, you know, damn self me Jay. You see me, I say, like that one there. You see me, shout out to the ladies. Them, all the ladies having a nice time on this, man. This rhythm is for the ladies, man and woman, couple up time. You see how the woman and Ella, I want that summer, man and woman feel a party. That's how we couple up and this is a doggering Riddim right here. Yes, man, back in the day when the dogger in him Japan, you see man and girl couple up and then they man, yes, I saw. No man to man, no woman to woman, just man and woman thing. Man and woman thing. Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve. Not Eve and Sheeve. Yes, man. That's what I say. Yeah, man. But yeah, guys. That's what I say. Like the one, man. Big up, Kes. Big up everybody. Yo, so far, the songs I like so far, definitely like Kes is not on the list. As I said, I like Kes, Valiant, Skipper, Nige Boy, and you don't know Massacre that kicked it off. You see me? Liking it. It's a vibe. Ladies, I know you're enjoying this one. You see me? I say, guys, I know you enjoy playing these ones for the ladies and saying broke out and go on bad. Yes, man. I'm here, man. Hey, yeah, big up on the damn self. I like how this is going so far. Some of these other artists, they need to mix it up and be more creative. You see me, get the vibes going. You see me, don't bring the vibes, or to bring the creativity. Don't come say the same. Get me shit. You see me, you're good on one, you're never this and that. You see me, switch it up. You see me, I say, Kike say she's a masterpiece. Not Valiant say better say I go ball boy. You see me, I say Nige Boy say yo, if you want your money you have to run the You see me, people say yo, me my design and mama got your body gonna vehicle tete. You see me, I'm as me make you slip on slide. You see me, I say so be creative with the thing, man. No, I'm told no, that's why this good on one and Manuel he we already know the song is in Gully, bro. Be more creative. You see me? Yeah, man. So that's me. I've said, well, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Out.